Defendant number one, first appeal against the judgment and decree passed by the trial court, by which my lord the suit preferred by the plaintiff for eviction, arrears of rent and damages has been allowed, decreed in favor of the plaintiff.
This is the plaintiff's appeal.
No, defendant number one.
Defendant की appeal.
Who was a tenant of the property, man.
हाँ. Defendant number one की appeal है.
One की.
He was the tenant.
Tenant.
Eviction decree has been passed.
Eviction, my lord, actually, my lord, the issue is the plaintiff and the defendant number three. Were the cousin brother, and the will was executed by the father of the plaintiff in favor of the defendant number three, by which, my lord, the defendant number three also apply for the mutation along with the plaintiff, my lord. In the mutation proceedings, my lord, the Tehsildar ordered that they may file a probate application before the competent civil court and get the dispute settled. Thereafter, mutation will be carried out. By suppressing this mutation proceedings, my lord, the plaintiff have filed the suit stating that I sublet the property to the defendant number three, my lord. But that is not the issue, my lord.
How can you challenge their dispute of title inter se between the?
I am not challenging, my lord. I have had much prior to the institution of suit, my lord. I have handed over the possession of the property to respondent number three. Now my only grievance is with regard to the damages and arrears of rent. Because, my lord, the learned trial court has come to a conclusion that since the plaintiff as well as defendant number three has failed to prove the execution of the will in their favor, therefore, as per the Hindu Succession Act, the plaintiff would be the title holder of the property.
Whosoever is the title holder, you are only the tenant. You have to pay the rent. You have to pay the rent. What rent you have paid?
My lord, till 1100 रुपए महीना, till जनवरी 2000
किराया जो 66,000 रुपए की डिक्री इसका क्या है?
वो उस पीरियड का ट्रायल कोर्ट ने हमको हमारे अगेंस्ट डिक्री दे दी, जिस पीरियड में जनवरी 2002 में, my lord, I have handed over the possession to the respondent number 3 since there was a dispute between plaintiff and the respondent number 3. तो ट्रायल कोर्ट ने बोल दिया कि फरवरी 2002 से लेके अप्रैल 2004 तक का जो 66,000 रुपए है, that I am entitled to pay to the plaintiff and thereafter 2200 रुपए पर मंथ till actual possession.
तो वो जो किराया है,
हाँ, मैं पोजीशन में था ही नहीं, ये तो एडमिटेड फैक्ट है. रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 3 ने भी एडमिट कर दिया.
Now the decree has been passed in favor of the plaintiff.
My lord.
And the defendant number 3 is also one of the defendant.
One of the defendant. And there is a dispute between the title over the plaintiff and defendant number 3.
The defendant number 3 has not challenged this decree.
He has not challenged.
He is also bound to. He is also bound to hand over the possession of the suit property to the plaintiff.
Whatever.
Because the decree has been passed against him also.
There might be my only my grievance is only, my lord, the arrears of rent and damages. Only up to the extent, because, my lord, there are two things. One, there might be a collusive suit between the by the plaintiff and defendant number 3. Second thing, by suppressing this material fact that there is a dispute of title between the plaintiff and defendant number 3, the plaintiff have filed the institute this instant.
You cannot challenge their title.
My lord, I am not challenging the title.
कि किस plaintiff का है कि defendant number 3 का है?
My lord is also aware, my lord, कि I have no right to challenge the title and I am not challenging it. मेरा ये कहना था कि there was a prior to the institution of suit, there was a dispute between plaintiff and the defendant number 3. Plaintiff ने उसको suppress करते हुए suit लगाई and decree has been passed against me कि I have to pay the arrears of land. मतलब जनवरी 2002 में ही मैंने तो पोजीशन जो था डिफेंडेंट नंबर 3 को दे दिया on the basis of the will. I was not in the possession. I am not enjoying the property for which the arrears or direction has been issued by the trial court for payment of the arrears of rent as well as damages. My lord.
Where is the consideration of the trial court?
My lord, may kindly look at the page number 6. And I have filed all the
रिकॉर्ड कॉल करना पड़ेगा.
रिकॉर्ड अभी कॉल नहीं हुआ. पावर मेरा फाइल हो चुका है. Yesterday only I filed my power.
Mr. Soni, no?
Amit Soni.
Mr. Amit Soni, learned counsel for the appellant. None for the respondent, those served. Call for the record of the trial court.